Hello everyone. Today we will be going to do block 17 LP4, that is increasing and decreasing friction. So for doing this, what's our aim? We will analyze the different ways that we use to increase or decrease the friction. What resources we need? We need a toy car that runs on key, one tray, towel or paper napkin, oil or talcum powder. And the keyword that we will use is lubricants. Lubricants are the substances that are used for making something smooth, or they helps to reduce the friction. Okay, let's do the action. Run a toy car on a tray. Now think in your mind what thing you can do to make the car fast and what things you require to make a car slow on a tray. So let's discuss the things that if we want to make the car speed slow, then we keep the towel or that tissue paper on the tray so that we can reduce the speed of car. And what things help to make the speed of car faster? We can use the talcum powder. We can use the oil, means lubricants. They helps to reduce the friction and makes the movement of car fast. So these things we can do to increase or decrease the friction so that things can move slowly or fastly. So here are the ways given to decrease the friction and to increase the friction. Let's discuss first how we decrease the friction, means how we lessen the friction by applying lubricants like oil, polishing surface that also help to make the surface smooth and reducing the friction. Applying grease, it also help to reduce the friction. Use wheels. Now next is ways to increase the friction. Increasing friction means by making grooves on it. Grooves, what are the grooves? We have already discussed in the LP3, means long, deep and narrow cuts on the surface that make the material hard. And by making treads on it, like on the tire there are treads on it which helps to increase the friction. Let's discuss the higher order thinking question. You can also think on it. Rohan's cycle chain makes a lot of noise whenever Rohan rides his bicycle. What should he do to make it work smoothly? Yes, he can apply the lubricants so that friction can be reduced and his cycle chain will not make the noise. So what we have discussed, that lubricants are the things that helps to reduce the friction. So that's all about this lesson. Let's do the practice questions. Question number 1 is, tick the things that can be sprinkled to increase the friction on ice. What are the things that increase the friction? We know that powder means talcum powder and talcum and oil that helps to reduce the friction. These act as a lubricant. So these will not be tick out. Answer is sawdust and sand. Answer is sawdust and sand. Question number second is, why are suitcases fitted with the wheels? Yes, you have seen that some suitcases having wheels. Why that wheels are on that suitcases? That helps to reduce the friction so that one can carry the bags easily. So what are the purpose of that wheels? Wheels helps to reduce the friction so that one can carry the bag easily. Third question is, the hinges of a door in Nia's room make a squeaking noise on opening or closing. Why does the door make noise? What can she do to reduce the same? So this noise is due to the friction between the hinges and the door point. And we can reduce the sound by applying the lubricants. Lubricants like oil and grease can help to reduce the friction and make the door work smoothly. Thank you.